natin sa industriya. Kasama ko siya dati sa kabilang estasyon.
Sa Channel 5.
Ayun.
What must I do to make you understand? You've been everything to me. Don't have the strength to say, give this heart of mine a chance. Maybe then you will see. I'll do anything that you tell me. I'll be there if you need me. Reaching out to you, do you feel it too? Loving you is all I wanna do. I'm completely sure I've never felt this way before. When I smile, I know that there is something more.
Wala pa ka naman kayo. Happy Wednesday, guys.
What must I do so I can make you see the light that shines in my eyes, brighten up my day, you even help me find my way. I wish you're always by my side, and I can't stop, don't know how to stop thinking of you. And I'll do anything to be near you.
May rush ako dun sa ulo ko buwan.
Reaching out to you, do you feel
Naka-grade.
it too? Loving you is all I wanna do. I'm completely sure never felt this way before. When it's not, I know that there is something more. Reaching out for you, do you feel it too? Loving you is all I wanna do. I'm really sure I've never felt this way before. Deep inside, you know that there is something more. Deep inside, you know that there is something more.
Balak pa kayo tayo dyan.